found something very interesting, and I found that it seems that in the chicken feed there was traces of arsenic found, and these are the same chickens that we, the consumer, consume. So I went on to the FDA website and I found a frequently asked questions and answer regarding 3-nitroxyarsen seems to be inside the chicken feed. Anyhow, I'm just gonna read out some frequently asked questions off the FDA website, and it starts off with what did the FDA announce? And FDA announced that Alpharma, a subsidiary of Pfizer Inc., will voluntarily suspend the sales of the animal drug 3-nitro, which is a registered trademark, also known as roxarsen, in response to a new FDA study of 100 broiler chickens that detected inorganic arsenic, a known carcinogen, at higher levels in the livers of chickens treated with the drug 3-nitroxyarsenone than in untreated chickens. FDA officials stressed that the levels of inorganic arsenic detected were very low, and that continuing to eat the chicken as 3-nitro is suspended from the market does not pose a health risk. I don't know how much arsenic is actually okay. Who are they really to determine that? Another question was what does this new information mean to someone who regularly consumes chicken? Should I be concerned? According to the FDA, continuing to eat chicken as Nitro 3 is suspended from the market does not pose a health risk. The levels of inorganic arsenic found in chicken livers are very low. So should the consumer stop eating chicken in response to this announcement? FDA says no. FDA does not believe that there is a need to stop eating chicken or conduct a recall of chicken already in commerce. So they're not even going to do a recall on this chicken, which is interesting. It's already out there, so let people get filled with arsenic. Let them die slowly. Anyhow, another question here says, what is that 3-nitro? And the 3-nitroxyarsenone is an arsenic-based animal drug manufactured by Alpharma LLC, a subsidiary of Pfizer Inc. It is approved to help prevent coccidosis when used in combination with certain animal drugs. Coccidosis is a parasitic disease that infects the intestinal tracts in poultry and can lead to death in poultry. 3-nitro is also approved for weight gaining, feed efficiency, and improved pigmentation in the chicken. Things for people to think about. Another question is, are there animal drugs approved with arsenic in them? FDA says yes. That the 3-nitro was the first arsenic-based product approved for the use in animal feed and is currently the most common used arsenic-based animal drug. Other other arsenic-based drugs that are approved for use in producing animals, poultry and swine, include nitrosone, arsenic acid, and carbarisone. One thing I found interesting as I continued to read on was this one question here in the frequently asked questions of FDA, and it said, when were these animal drugs approved? Well, FDA approved the use of products containing arsenic many years ago. The first approval for 3-nitro-roxarsone was on March 21st, 1944. And there has been several subsequent approvals for 3-nitro for combination use, the most recent being in 2009. Anyhow, I kept thinking about it and found it interesting that in 1944 it was introduced. That was during the time of Hitler. Anyhow,